Hi, now we're going to talk about plot. What is the plot of the story? The plot is a sequence of events in the order as they are presented in the text. In a general manner of speaking, most plots consist of some process or change. The events of the plots are arranged so as to form a particular structure. There are various possible types of structures for plots. Good plot patterns will awaken the reader's interest, create some suspense, and hold the reader's attention. The following terms are useful to recognize and describe the structure of a novel or a short story: exposition, rising action, climax, falling action, and denouement. A typical plot pattern begins with the exposition. This is an introduction to the background of the story, the characters, and the setting. The next stage is the rising action. Here, a conflict between two forces is developed. Events are further complicated until they reach a climax, the highest point of excitement and interest in the story. The climax is closely connected to a turning point, the moment when events are reversed and move into another direction. The falling action leads towards the end. It often involves some discovery or important recognition on the part of the hero. The end is a catastrophe in a tragedy, or the denouement or resolution, the moment when the conflict is solved in some manner. Stop and think. Imagine the story Ethan Frome. What would the structure of the plot be there? What do the following parts of the plot structure correspond to in the novella Ethan Frome? The exposition, the rising action, the climax, the falling action, and the denouement. What are they in Ethan Frome? Please feel free to discuss this with your peers. Order of events. The story may develop from start to finish in a chronological order, or there may be flashbacks, where the readers are given details about something that happened earlier in the story. There may also be foreshadowing in the story, meaning that the readers are given hints about what might happen later in the story. Stop and think again. What is the situation in Ethan Frome? Is the story told in a chronological order? Why? Why not, do you think? Are there any flashbacks? If so, when are they? And what is the effect? Can you find any examples of foreshadowing? And what should these do to the story? Good luck.